Hi guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing? I want to try to get through this video. My sinuses are bothering me, but I wanted to get this out to you guys while I had it on my mind, and I received quite a bit of calls about it, so I thought I would just put it out here. Okay, power lead system, guys. I am going to discuss why you need to be a gold member and why you should be also at least a diamond member. Okay, the importance of that. Okay, power lead system is a marketing system. I'm gonna switch gears for you here and just go over to this little page I put together. I'm kind of combining we're combining Easy Profit 100 and Power Lead System together, okay? Because that's what's recommended in the back office. But Power Lead System is the marketing system, marketing platform that has all the tools you need as an entrepreneur to basically run any business that you have, okay? Now, it's $53.97 a month to be a gold member, okay? $53.97 a month. And you're going to make $20 residual income off of everybody that also joins you as a gold member. Okay? Now, yes, there is a lower level part of Power Lead system called Lead Lightning. Okay? That program is $7 one time. You make a $6 commission. Okay? That's it. You have no flexibility with the capture pages. Okay, you get one capture page. You do get an email autoresponder, but one page. And you can't make any more money than that. You can't scale up. You can only make $6 for everybody that joins Lead Lightning. So gold is where you need to be. In addition to the $20 residual commission you're going to get off of every member that joins you, you're going to also make a 50% matching bonus. Okay, which is powerful. Okay. What that means is everybody that signs up with you as a gold member, even though we do have to pass up some gold members to our sponsor, we all have to do that, but that's where the leverage is. You pass them up, but you're still going to make 50% matching bonus off of them. So in other words, let's say you sign someone up, they get passed up, the $20 goes to your sponsor, but that person is tied to you forever. And let's say that person goes out and they make $1,000 that month. Guess what? You make $500 of that. And that's off of everyone that you sign up. Everyone that you sign up as a gold member, you're going to make 50% matching bonus. Okay? So that's why, number one, you want to be a gold member. Pay $53.97 a month and receive those $20 residual commissions. Okay. Now, the icing on the cake is the diamond package. Okay, so let's say you're a gold member and you say, hey, and I'm telling you why you need to do this, because it's just going to scale your business up. Diamond package is only $147 one time, and you're actually purchasing what they call free ad secrets. It's a product, internet marketing product called free ad secrets. Teach you how to market online. So one time $147, and you're able to make $100 commissions off of everybody that comes in. And they take advantage of being gold, and they decide they want to be a diamond member. Every time you make 100. Okay. We also pass up those as well. I'm not going to get into all that. You can go on the site and see that as well. But the $100 commissions work like the $20 residual. So we have pass ups. This way everybody is actually making sales. Instead of just one person, getting 100% commission, everybody gets a piece of the pie. So it's powerful. Okay, and then let me add on to that. Being a diamond member, we also get 25% matching bonus on that. Okay, what that means is every time one of your members make $100, you make 25% of that, which is $25. Okay, so just imagine that. Every time one of your members make 100, you make 25. Okay, so that's powerful. That's why I'm saying you at least need to be a gold member and be at least at the diamond package, because it's just $147, guys. Now, if you can, If you can take the plunge and go all in, go in as platinum, that's where I am, the $497 one time, and you're going to make $400 commissions off of that. And that package is called the Social Profit Academy. So that's more training to teach you how to market online. Okay. Now on that one, also every time someone, one of your members receives a $400 commission, you receive $50 commission, an override. Okay. So it just keeps going, guys. So this is a powerful system. I didn't realize the magnitude of the comp plan myself when I looked at it years ago. I didn't really understand, what it was all about. I knew it was a marketing system, but I didn't really look at the comp plan. But now I understand it, and it makes sense, and it's powerful. Now, what we're doing is my Easy Profit 100, folks. I'm recommending you incorporate that with your Easy Profit 100 business, okay? You join Easy Profit 100. It's in the back office where you can, I'm going to put my link below. Once you join, you put your ID back there, and anyone that joins Easy Profit 100, they'll see that you're in the Power Lead system. And when they do, you'll get paid on that, guys. So it just makes sense to go ahead and incorporate it because it's a part of what's recommended in your Easy Profit 100 back office. So what will happen is, just think about it. Every time you make $100 or you refer someone to Easy Profit 100, they're going to want the system that you're using, which is the Power Lead system. So you're going to make the 100 off of Easy Profit 100. Then you're going to make the Gold membership, the $20 a month, and then weekly, if they decide to upgrade to Diamond or Platinum, that will be an extra 100 or 400. It just depends which way they go. They may just go all in. You just never know what people are going to do. So if you position yourself to receive, it doesn't matter when they pull the trigger, you're ready anyway. Stay ready, then you don't have to get ready, okay? So position yourself to receive the maximum. But I want to just come to you and just let you know that I highly recommend you go ahead and become a Gold member. Lead Lightning is great if that's all you can do is, spend the $7 and at least get some type of marketing system in front of your offer. You need that anyway, okay? But to maximize the money, because this is a business, okay? You're here to make a profit. That's what we're all here to do, but it makes sense, okay? So it makes sense to be a Gold member, spend the $53.97, receive these $20 residuals every month, and then position yourself to receive either the $100 or the $400 commission, okay? And then these matching bonuses, guys, the 50% on the Gold membership, the 25% on the Diamond, and then you get a percentage off of the Platinum as well, the $50 overrides, okay? So this all ties in together. Easy Profit 100 with the Power Lead system. So you have direct mail marketing plus internet marketing, okay? That's integrated. So you can market this thing online and offline. All right, so just wanted you to see that. And then let me show you. This is no joke. I lost a Diamond commission. That's the other reason why I knew I needed to upgrade. So let me show you that real quick. Hold on. See right here? You lost a Diamond commission. This is as of January 6th. And then I went ahead and upgraded to Gold on the 13th. So I've been a Gold member since the 13th. I went back and looked at my emails, and I upgraded to Gold. And then I think maybe, a week after that or less, I upgraded to Platinum. So you will get these emails telling you lost a sale. So I don't know who it was, but it states right here that you lost Diamond, that's $100. So that inspired me to upgrade as well. Okay. So let me show you something else real quick. Hold on one second, because I want you to see. This is a video. I'm going to let Jeff explain it to you. Okay, hold on one second.
which can multiply your income 5 times. It's called our Diamond Package, and it can pay you $100 commissions over and over again, many times, every single day. And we do this through our Breakthrough Accelerated Leverage Compensation Plan. That's right, the same powerful compensation plan we use to pay our $20 residual commissions is the same program we use for our high commission diamond level offer. With Accelerated Leverage, your referrals can multiply exponentially, creating a team of hundreds, even thousands of people, all passing you up $20 residual commissions. But with Diamond, your commissions are multiplied 5 times, adding an extra $100 commission to every $20 residual sale. Just think about it. Each new member rolling up to your pay line is another $100 commission. And these can add up really fast. Just 5 new members would pay you $500 in diamond level commissions. 10 to 20 new members would pay you $1,000 to $2,000 in diamond commissions. And 50 to 100 new members would pay you an incredible $5,000 to $10,000 in diamond commissions. But here's where your income really begins to explode. As a diamond member, you also get paid a 25% matching bonus of the payline commissions from every diamond member that you personally refer. If just one of your referred members made $1,000 in commissions, your 25% bonus would be $250 with no extra work. And if they made $10,000, your 25% bonus would be an incredible $2,500 paid right to you automatically. And remember, you're paid this 25% matching bonus on everyone you personally refer at the diamond level. You could have dozens, even hundreds of people, all paying you 25% of their diamond level commissions. And as you can see, these diamond level commissions can turn into serious, part-time, even full-time income, with just a small group making monthly referrals. When you accept your diamond level membership right now, you get access to one of the newest in-demand training programs. This product is called the $1 Million Secret to Getting Unlimited Free Advertising. This powerful marketing program shows you step by step exactly how to build a massive organization in any opportunity, starting from scratch. This is the exact sister of this training program personally generate over $964,000 in advertising co-op funds, helping him to grow multiple massive organizations and different opportunities over the last 25 years. His jealously guarded co-op advertising secrets helped him create a team of over 24,000 distributors, becoming the company's top enroller and the #1 earner, all with no money out of his own pocket. Now, armed with this information, you're finally going to be able to explode your organization and build that long-term residual income that you've always wanted. Don't let these exponential $100 commissions slip through your fingers and pass up to your sponsor. Increase your income potential 5 times by adding this amazing course to your order right now for just $147. This is not $147 per month, it's just one time. So go ahead and click on that buy button below right now and get started today.
Okay, guys, I just wanted you to see that video. I thought that was something you needed to see, but that's what I'm talking about. This diamond level is definitely where you need to be. Okay, so what you want to do is go ahead and log in your back office. I'm going to put the link below so you can go ahead and get your system if you're not in it already. If you're already in it and you're a gold member, I highly recommend you go in the back office and just upgrade. Okay, click that button and upgrade. Pay $147 one time, and you'll be adding the gold level to, not the gold, I'm sorry, the diamond level to your gold level. Okay, but if you're not in, just go ahead and I'm gonna put the link below so you can go ahead and get everything you need to get started. Go in here, join our Facebook group. Go right here. Everything is so simple for you right here. They're telling you exactly what to do. Get started right here. 3 steps. That's it. Follow these steps and you're ready to go. Okay? So, this is why you need to join as a gold member and you need to go ahead and at least become diamond as well. All right. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give me a call. But I just had to bring you that information because I've been getting a lot of calls. What's the difference? Should I get lead lightning? Should I get, the gold membership? What should I get? So those are kind of some of the differences in a nutshell. But if you need further explanation, feel free to give me a call. All right, guys, like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.